But you can't just have a film on food, can you?
No, this food is a metaphor in the film. That's why I said that chicken Quran is a mythical dish, mythical recipe, because we have heard about it, but everybody in the film is hungry for it, and they can't find it. And by the end of it, in the process of finding the recipe, they find themselves.
I love the fact that you've taken food as a metaphor, you know. It's something that besides me, everybody can identify with, you know. I find this very easily. When you're lost for conversation in a new bunch of people, if you start talking about food, your conversation starts all over again, you know. Some people do it with cricket. Now my cricket knowledge is a bit bad, so I do it with food. I said we can bond with strangers over food. So using food as a sort of...
Yeah, food is our fuel. Without food, there's no us.
And you get to know so much about the person just by talking about the kind of food that they like. You know what I'm saying? You get to know so much about that person that you wouldn't otherwise get to know.
It becomes really irritating when you meet a person who has no passion for food. कुछ भी चलेगा यार, कुछ डाल दो, you know. You, I can't believe this. Not true.
He
Not
is our
true.
protein shake.
You know why he's eating chicken? Where's protein? Wow.
अरे वाह,
ये तो पूरा खाना है यार,
चलो खाएंगे ना.
पेट में जगह भी होनी चाहिए.
बटर चिकन, अरे वाह.
मैं तो ये खाऊंगी दही.
Yeah, Amritsar is mind blowing. Amritsar, I was just in Amritsar.
हाँ.
By the time you're done with breakfast, they're already talking about dinner.
But your dinner you're having talking about.
Breakfast, अरे lunch में क्या खाओगे? Breakfast तो खत्म हो जाने दो. Lunch, अरे dinner में क्या खाओगे?
But the butter chicken in Amritsar tastes completely different
It's
from the
unbelievable.
butter chicken anywhere else.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, Amritsar,
हाँ.
there's this kulcha wala. And in Ludhiana, there's another guy that's opened this kulcha shop.
हाँ.
And he has tankers that go for Amritsar, the water. Because according to them, the water makes the kulchas tasty.
Water makes the difference in all the food,
It does.
especially in Punjab, because the water is coming straight down from Himachal. It's the best water.
You know, the thing with food that I think is the amount of care you put in preparing the ingredients. Whether it's kotoing the masala and not doing it in a mixie, is the amount of time you do before you actually put it on the boil.
तो जल्दबाजी में खाना गड़बड़ होता है.
Yeah.
गड़बड़ होता है. प्यार से करना चाहिए खाना.
जल्दबाजी में पिक्चर और जल्दबाजी में खाना.
दोनों गड़बड़ हो जाता है. Philosopher है. Anybody tried the butter chicken?
Because the butter chicken that I make starts only with tomato, no puree, no cream,
No cream. Okay. So you
and butter is melted butter that's put in later on.
on top.
But chicken is marinated separately.
And you do tandoori the chicken, no? नहीं.
My butter chicken, the chicken does not come from tandoor.
हाँ.
See, tandoor में जब डालते हैं ना chicken, tandoor is also a way of keeping the chicken fresh and partly cooked, so that when you make butter chicken out of chicken from the tandoor, it's made faster. So restaurants have invented a way of doing that. But जो tandoori masala on chicken actually spoils the taste of a butter chicken. Because butter chicken does not, butter chicken एक अलग ही magic होता है. और जब आप सिर्फ टमाटर मारो, क्रीम बनाई जाती है कोई भी चीज़ को, तो समझ नहीं आता टेस्ट कहाँ जा रहा है, क्रीम डाल दो तो सब even out हो जाता है. And butter chicken is not really cooked in. There's a lot of butter melted and poured after
On top of it.
on top of it and ढका हुआ. उसके बाद जो melt हो जाता है ना, gets into it and the aroma that it gives, and when you start eating it, the first taste is of the butter and then the chicken comes in. That's something else.
We should have made you cook on this show, huh? We should have made you cook this butter chicken.
Yeah, maybe cook on this one. I cook some very incredible recipes.
We've only
How
heard
do you
about
think I
him
would
cooking.
tell?
He didn't need to woo us, so we've not had the food.
You've never had his food. You've never. You just heard these
It's
stories.
not fair, huh? He's eaten your mother's food umpteen times,
Exactly.
and he's talked about his cooking.
Even कुणाल के घर का खाना so
मेरे
many
घर का
times.
खाना भी खा लिया,
हमें कभी नहीं
लेकिन
खिलाया.
हमने नहीं खाया.
He's waiting for the right moment to create his dish and serve it up to you all.
I cook when I have to get my way.
Finally,
be
the
all.
truth. Finally.
Don't be all.
Which is why we've not had to eat. We've not had the chance to eat his food.
That is true. Anurag, the films that you've produced, done, directed have been very darkish, very interesting subject, but darkish. This is a light-hearted comedy. What attracted you to it?
See, I make films which are emotionally intense in the sense they're real, they're passionate, and relatively they become dark. जब आप real खाना खाते हो तो आपको dark लगता है. ये खाना कौन खाएगा जब आइसक्रीम है? Because आइसक्रीम के comparison में तो spicy लगता है ना.
Ah, correct. Point well taken. And we've gone into a very deep discussion
Yeah,
of
I
films
know
just now,
why. We're
and this is
having
not what
food.
we
We should
intended
be
to do
talking
right
about
now. I also believe that once the film is released, There's a book coming out on recipes?
They're collecting recipes.
You're collecting recipes
We're collecting home recipes
from the Punjab.
from Punjab, Delhi and Bombay.
Okay.
एंड के घर का एक स्पेशल डिश होता है ना चिकन का, तो उसकी क्या रेसिपी और कैसे बनाते हैं वो इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, सब बनाई जाएंगी। जो विनर है उसको 10 लाख रुपए का नाम है,
अरे वाह।
और जितने लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे नहीं है सीक्रेटिव टाइप्स, उनकी सबकी हम इकट्ठा करके परमिशन लेके एक बुक बनाएंगे।
छाप लेंगे। That's a damn good idea. I will buy the book. I will buy the book.
वो ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी।
ज़्यादा
You can
अच्छी-
send some recipes also.
Yes, I will get some recipes.
You also have to separate, because of competition, you have to also separate those recipes which are recipes copied from a recipe book.
True, true. So they have to be घर का recipes. They can't be my butter chicken recipe and somebody else's. Yeah.
घर का रेसिपी 2 मिनट में पता जाता है कि घर का लिखा हुआ है।
Don't go anywhere because there's no meal without sweets.